guys. Well, you can't see me. Okay. Hang on a second. Let me put this right here. I need to get some music. Blub, 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 blub. Blub, blub, blub. I'm a fishy. I eat smaller fishies. Yum, 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 yum. Smaller fishies are yummier than big fishies. Big fishies try to eat me. Because I'm a medium fishy. Why isn't it playing? Oh. Whoops. Okay. Screw that. Okay, guys. This is a video to show you how bad I am at working out. Okay? This is a video to show you how bad I am at working out. Aren't I so nice to myself? Okay, I think that's pretty good. Okay, what am I gonna do first? I'll try to do some push-ups, I guess. I don't know. Let's see here. My butt's in the air. Oh, no. Okay, there you go. I only did 3. Okay. 3 push-ups. Yeah. Let's just say that was 30. Between you and me, that was 30, not 3. That was 30. Put a 0 after it. It was 30. Just say it was 30. I need distraction though. Whoa. I'm good. Okay. I don't think I can stretch with these jeans on. I'm gonna try it anyway. I'm gonna try it anyway. Yeah, I can't stretch with these jeans on. Crap. Hang on a sec. Ah! No. Okay. How long has this been? 3 minutes, 27 seconds. Okay, I changed into some shorts now so I can stretch. I already stretched though, so, I don't know. Yeah, the reason I'm stretching and stuff is because I want to be a cheerleader. That's the only reason I ever make fun of them. It's because they get to be one and I don't. But, yeah. I'm not going to be a snobby one, though. I'm going to be the one that hangs out with everybody except for the popular people. I won't hang out with the popular people. I don't like them. They're snobs. Well, most of them are. Most of them are jerks like Audrey, so. Yeah. But, yeah. So, what do I have to do now? What have I not done yet? I don't think I did. What have I not done? What do I need to do? I look demonic right now. I will stare into your soul. Okay, okay. The Superman thing. Or you go like, it hurts my neck. I'm not doing that. Okay. Okay. Good. This is gonna be my fail at crunches. Ready? Okay. And 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. That's good for now. 30. Yeah. Okay. Then, what was I gonna do now? Oh, yeah. Now I need to do the butterfly. 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 I'm not even doing the butterfly. Okay. I'm gonna skip the butterfly. I don't like the butterfly, it hurts. Okay. But I can. Whoa. Yeah, I need to work on my balance too. And then, what else do I need to do? I need to try from behind. Okay, that didn't work. Crapola. Okay. Whoa. Has he texted me yet? No, he hasn't. Jake should really text. Mr. Short Person should really text me. Okay. What's next? Arms. I should totally just like get into my PE uniform and do this. I totally should. Okay. Oh yeah. It stretches out the leg. If I can reach. Oh my god, look at my legs. They're just like, eh. Okay. Okay, what else? I don't know what else. Yes, I love the song. I can dance. Don't worry, that's not how I actually dance. Don't worry. That's not how it actually ends. I used to be able to do that thing where you like jump up and touch your toes. I used to be able to do that. Now I can't. See, watch. This is as far as I can get now. That's as far as I can get. I didn't see how far because it went too quickly. Ah, I keep bending my legs. That's as far as I can go. What about? Ah, crap. That didn't work at all. Crap. Ah. I can't do it. I'm trying to jump, put my legs out front, and I can't. I can go like this though. I can kick like this far. That's as far as I can kick on that leg. On this leg, that's as far as I can kick. Crap. As you can see, I'm not very good at exercising. Next time you need some help on exercising, don't come to me. Just don't. I'll probably be doing another video of me failing, so make sure you look for it. No!